Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create your own crypto exchange account, step by step. Don't worry, it's actually much easier than you think. I'll guide you through how to create an account on MEXC, which is a non-KYC exchange, meaning identity verification is optional. The whole process takes about 3 minutes. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Go to the official website. First of all, open your browser and go to mexc.com. This is the official website of the MEXC exchange. If MEXC shows a message saying that your country is not supported, don't worry, simply use a VPN to change your IP address to a supported country and then continue the registration process normally. MEXC is a comprehensive crypto exchange that offers spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, and staking services. By the data from coinmarketcap.com, MEXC is one of the top 10 exchange in terms of trading volume. You can always check it on coinmarketcap.com. Once you create a MEXC account, you'll be able to trade both spot and futures, perpetual contracts immediately, even without KYC verification. But if you need more withdrawal limit, you may consider to complete the KYC verification. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Now, let's create your account. Click the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll see 2 options to register, either by email or mobile phone number. In this example, I'll use my Google account to sign up. Scroll down and click on the Google icon at the bottom of the sign-up form. It will prompt you to enter your Google email address and password. Once you've entered them correctly, that's it. Your registration is complete and your account is now active. That's how quick it is, just a few clicks and you're done. Step 3, exploring your new account. As you can see, once you've registered, you automatically get access to a crypto wallet inside your MEXC account. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to buy and deposit USDT into your exchange wallet and also how to transfer USDT to another exchange for arbitrage trading. But for now, let's take a quick look around the platform interface. Exploring the spot market, click on the Market tab in the main menu and then select Spot. Now choose the BTC USDT trading pair. This shows the current value of 1 Bitcoin compared to USDT. On this page, you'll see several key sections: the price chart, the order book, and the trading interface. Take a moment to look around. This is where you can view price movements, see real-time buy and sell orders, and place trades. You can even enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy directly from here. But don't make any trades just yet. We'll go through that process step by step in a later lesson. Next, click Futures in the menu bar, and then select USDTM Futures. Now, you might be wondering, what does USDTM mean? The M stands for margined, which means these contracts are backed by USDT. In other words, all your profits, losses, and margin are calculated and settled in USDT, not in Bitcoin or any other coin. This is one of the most popular types of futures contracts because it's simple and stable. You always know exactly how much you're earning or losing in USDT without worrying about the changing value of other coins. That's why, for beginners and for funding-rate arbitrage strategies, we usually use USDTM futures. It's easier to manage, track, and calculate. Take a few seconds to explore the interface. You'll see the current BTC, USDT, price, the funding rate, and a countdown timer showing when the next funding payment will occur. In the next lesson, we'll go through each of these details carefully. Step 4, strengthen your account security. Now, this step is extremely important. You need to strengthen your account security right away. Go to the Security tab in your account settings and make sure to enable at least one form of two-factor authentication, also called 2FA. Personally, I recommend using a passkey. A passkey allows you to log in securely using your device's built-in authentication. For example, a fingerprint, face scan, or even a hardware security chip. It's one of the strongest methods to protect your account because it makes online hacking or phishing attacks extremely difficult. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't access your account without your physical device. Alternatively, you can use Google Authenticator. This app generates a unique 6-digit code on your phone every 30 seconds. Whenever you log in, withdraw funds, or make important account changes, you'll need to enter that code to confirm your identity. Now, let's talk about why this is so important. 2FA adds an extra layer of security beyond your password. Passwords can be stolen, guessed, or leaked. But 2FA creates a second barrier, making it much harder for hackers to break in, even if they know your login credentials. With 2FA enabled, every withdrawal, login, or account change requires verification through your device, so you'll always be notified if someone tries to access your account. This is especially important in crypto trading because once a hacker transfers your coins out, it's almost impossible to recover them. So, enabling 2FA is not just a suggestion, it's a must for anyone trading crypto. Think of it as locking your wallet inside a safe. Your password opens the door, but 2FA is the key that only you can use. Lastly, I hope you can remember this important rule in the crypto world. Not your keys, not your coins. When your coins are stored on an exchange, you don't actually control them. The exchange holds the private keys on your behalf. So, if that exchange ever gets hacked, or if it suddenly shuts down, your coins could be lost forever. That's why I strongly recommend keeping your non-trading coins, the ones you don't need for daily trading, in your own personal wallet, rather than leaving them on an exchange. A personal crypto wallet gives you full control of your private keys, which means only you have access to your assets. Think of it this way, trading on an exchange is like keeping money in a shop's cashier, but your wallet is your personal safe. Always trade smart and always protect what's yours. Step 5, your homework task. All right, here's a small task for you before the next lesson. Since our funding rate arbitrage strategy requires at least 2 exchanges, I'd like you to take a few minutes to register another non-KYC account, this time on Bitunix. The registration process is almost identical to MEXC. Simply use your email address to create a new account. It's quick, simple, and should only take a couple of minutes. However, please do not make any trades or deposits yet. In the next lesson, I'll show you exactly how to buy USDT, deposit it safely, and transfer it between exchanges to prepare for your funding rate arbitrage setup. So for now, just get your Bitunix account ready and we'll continue from there in the next class. And that's it for now. You've just created your first non-KYC crypto exchange account. You're one step closer to building your funding rate arbitrage setup. In the next session, we'll go hands-on with USDT deposits and cross-exchange transfers. So stay tuned. You're doing great so far.